Hello friends, this is my first YouTube video and this is about unboxing of my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is 256 GB model and this is midnight green color. So this is the box, 256 GB, 3-lens camera system. Okay, so without wasting further time, let's start with unboxing. So let me take this plastic off. Okay, so this is the box and there you go. Wow. So let me take this phone out of the box. So this is midnight green and this isn't glossy like previous iPhones. This is kind of matte finish, more kind of frosty, and this doesn't allow my fingerprints. That's great. Phone looks great. Okay, and this is the plastic. Alright, so now keep this on the side. Let's see what other things came in the box. So this is ear pod. With the lightning connector. And this is 18-watt charging adapter. This is the new one Apple is giving with this iPhone. This is for fast charging, so that's great. And this is the lightning cable to use on this adapter. That's all in the box. And these are some hello things and some instructions, I guess. Apple logo. Oh, and yeah, this is the one to remove the SIM card tray. So you can use this to eject SIM card tray and put your new SIM card into the phone. And again, this is brand new phone. I'm loving it. Alright, so that's all about unboxing. Thank you very much. Please like this channel if you like my video and share it. Thank you.